Hello excursionistas! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Excursionista Diaries. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magluto ng Chocomallow pie. So please keep on watching! So these are the ingredients for our Chocomallow pie. We have sliced bread. We have marshmallows. So ito yung pinili ko because it has two flavors, chocolate and vanilla. I have also a plain chocolate since wala naman akong nakitang chocolate bar. So ito yung binili ko since mura lang naman siya. So I have also a breadcrumbs. You can use crushed skyflakes as alternative for breadcrumbs. I have 2 eggs and cooking oil for deep frying. So, magsisimula na tayo! So, the first procedure is i-flatten natin ang bread gamit ang rolling pin. And since wala akong available na rolling pin, gagamitin ko ay ang baso. But before we flatten this bread, i-cut muna natin yung gilid niya. So this is now our flattened bread. So let's now proceed to our next step, which is i-assemble na natin ang ating Chocomallow pie. So we have the flattened bread, egg, and the chocolate and marshmallows. So ganito lang yung pag-a-assemble. Lalagyan lang natin ng egg first sa gilid. Tapos lalagyan natin ng marshmallow. So, hinati ko na sa dalawa yung marshmallow lengthwise. Tapos, yung chocolate. And then, fold it half. Tapos, gumamit tayo ng tinidor to seal it completely. So, this is the Chocomallow pie. So, the next procedure is i-dip ang Chocomallow pie sa egg and then coat it with breadcrumbs. So, ready na to fry our chocolate mallow pie. So, let's now proceed. So, let's fry the Chocomallow pie over low heat. Presenting to you the finished product of Chocomallow pie. At yun lang po, sana may natutunan kayo dito sa aking bagong video. At kung meron man, please give me a thumbs up by liking this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!